Mr. Trump, famously known as Panther Boy, has turned himself into a doomsday monster, threatening Iran with such profanity that he claims Iranian civilization itself will cease to exist. I think the very existence of American supremacy could come down to rubble tonight. While speculation is his threat might have nuclear threat underneath, but let's look at some report about his mental health. While it's told that he's suffering from dementia and mental health issues, the Daily Beast Catherine Boris notes that Gupta, who is a frequent guest on MS Now as a network senior medical analyst, has voiced his concern about the president's health for months. After Trump's visit to the World Economic Forum in Davos in February, Gupta reflected on President's family history of age-related dementia and claimed that he was seeing a trend line that seems like it's getting worse day by day. And the world is actually witnessing the same, that he has gone literally out of the senses, just making such kind of the profanity and the lame word which none of the US president, or I can say that any of the president in his capacity, has ever made. Now the Boris adds that the connection has also been made by Trump's own niece, Mary Trump, who told the Daily Beast podcast in the November that there are times that she looks at Trump and sees her grandfather, and there's a lot of similarities between them. They both are actually very confused. And it seems like that they are not oriented. His short-term memory seems to be quite disorienting. So why to give so much of power to someone with dementia? Now, even on Trump's Iran will die threat, former US Army officer Lawrence Selene says that military will not obey illegal orders. So before threatening, US congressmen should see inwardly about the mental health of his president to invoke 25th Amendment. Not only Iran, but commoners like me are actually tired of insanity. It may not be causing him a dime because he is just another billionaire by all the wrong means, but it is causing problems, serious problem to rest of the world. So let's talk about that. Let him take some treatment first. And US, which was already, it has already been unseated from being a superpower. And you guys aren't leading anymore. You are actually a threat to